I've read so much stuff about the sauna, about the benefits of the sauna, and then you published that thing saying there's a 40% decrease in mortality on basically on everything.
Well, I didn't publish it. Someone else published it, but
I'm sorry, you tweeted it.
Yes.
About this article. Sorry.
I did. I wrote an article on some of the health benefits of the sauna, and I predicted that I thought it would play a role in longevity based on some other evidence. And then this study came out showing, indeed, that there is a link between sauna use and a decrease in all-cause mortality. So people dying from cancer, from cardiovascular disease, from a variety of different diseases. And that was like
a big
cool.
decrease, right?
Yeah, it was huge.
Or something?
A 40% decrease in all-cause mortality. So when I say a 40% decrease in all-cause mortality, I mean over the time span that these men were followed, which was 20 years. So, heat stress is a stress, as is exercise. And, the stress activates all these stress response mechanisms in the body. And that's really good. And that's part of the benefit from exercise. It's part of the benefit from any type of, good stress. So heat specifically will activate something called heat shock proteins. So it's a gene that makes something called heat shock proteins. And they're a class of proteins that are activated by heat. They're actually activated for a long period of time. In some cases, it can be like a couple of weeks. So it's kind of like you do this heat stress, and then 2 weeks later, you still have these activated heat shock proteins, which are, preventing all this damage from accumulating in your cells. What's really interesting is that if you look in like worms or flies, you expose them to one heat shock, meaning like you increase the temperature for like 15 minutes, and it increases their lifespan by like 15%.
That's amazing.
Yeah.